hands, you're good.
I can't see that.
Well, that sounds like
okay,
your
you can see my
problem.
legs.
No, totally can't.
Totally can't see my legs.
If you don't see it, you can see it on YouTube later.
Alright. There was one day I was standing in the rain, and don't ask me why I was standing in the rain, but I was standing in the rain, and a single drop of rain just fell from the sky, and it hit me right here, all right here on my cheek. And then I thought to myself, you know, the life of a raindrop is kind of sad, and I started to cry, and joined the little raindrop, my tear, and then they fell to the ground. And then I thought, you know what? I feel the plight of the rain. I feel the plight of the raindrop, and so but I don't know how to express that to other people and how they can also feel this. And so I wanted to spread this message and make everyone aware of the life of a raindrop. And so the best way I can do this is that I can I will illustrate to you the life of a raindrop.
You asked for it. Just remember this.
He's in a cloud.